Something extraordinary is happening in Wales. In every part of our country, more and more people are turning to Plaid Cymru, the only party truly standing up for Wales.
I was a Labour voter for several years, ever since I could vote at 18 years old. However, looking back, I feel let down. I believe Plaid are the only party that have the interests of the Welsh people at heart.
I think we've got to be very careful about the change that we vote for. I'm very concerned about reform. I think they're dangerous, a dangerous force that just divides people and deliberately stirs up hatred from one group to the other. Plaid Cymru would offer positive change.
We're at a really dangerous time, I think, in our politics. I think it's a crucial opportunity next year to finally have a government that speaks for itself as a nation and doesn't use it as a stepping stone to Westminster.
We all feel it, don't we? It's hard to see a doctor, getting harder to pay the bills. Wales overlooked time and time again. Keir Starmer's Labour has turned its back on Wales and now the hard right is on the march. But Plaid Cymru can offer the new leadership that Wales so desperately needs now. Improving the NHS, helping you with the cost of living, backing Welsh businesses and local jobs and putting the interests of Wales and your community first. The polls are clear as daylight what the choice is ahead of us at the next election. Labour has lost its way. People want change. But let's make it a positive change. It's now between billionaire-backed Reform UK. They're the Conservatives, they're the Tories now. They've no plan for Wales. They want to privatise the NHS. They vote against protecting the interests of ordinary workers. They'll take Wales backwards. Or it's Plaid Cymru, the only party with the leadership, the vision, the drive, the ambition to really stand up for Wales and deliver meaningful change. Now that's the positive choice.
Next year, in the election, I'll be voting Plaid Cymru.
Next year, in the election, I'll be voting Plaid Cymru.
Next year, in the election, I'll be voting for Plaid Cymru.
So if you want positive change and a pro-Wales government, next year, put your trust in Plaid Cymru.